Hi, I'm Shannon Hendrickson with ADT, and this is the story of the DiGrazio family. Recently, they had a very close call when their keyless car was accidentally left on in the garage, filling their home with carbon monoxide. Fortunately, they had ADT. When their carbon monoxide alarm went off, it immediately notified our customer care center in Knoxville, Tennessee, where ADT emergency dispatcher Fred Cannon got help. Fred, along with his ADT colleagues and local first responders, all played a role in helping save this family. Today, we rented out this restaurant to surprise them. They think they're having lunch with me, but what the DiGrazios don't know is that things aren't really what they appear to be. This is not the normal restaurant staff serving them today. We've swapped out their server with Fred, who's come all the way from Tennessee. Also joining them are other members of the local ADT service team and the first responders who were there that night, who all played part in saving their lives. Now they get to meet. Are you guys ready? Yeah. Let's do this.
Everybody be ready.
Here we are.
There he is. Hey, Brian. Good to see you. I want to introduce you to Shannon. Works with me.
Hi, Jackie. It's such a pleasure to meet you. Hi. Hi. Nice to meet you.
It's Mommy and Daddy's friend.
Hi. Hey, Brian.
Come on over here.
Folks, how we doing? Got some crayons and some coloring paper for the little ones. We got it with you momentarily, okay?
And I'm going to leave you in the hands of Shannon. I've got a couple of calls to make for tomorrow, all right?
You got it?
I'll be right back, okay?
You guys will have waters in a second. Pleasure to serve you.
I have a 5-year-old daughter and a 2-year-old son. So,
Hello, everybody. How are you? Your servers will be with you in just a minute. My name is Donnie, but I'm going to get you some drinks while you're waiting.
Okay, great. Thanks.
some water.
Some water?
Yeah, I'll just have water for now. Yeah. Girls, you want apple juice?
Water's fine.
Well, I'm nervous. I can't speak for her. I'm excited too.
Yeah,
I think I'll cry. Probably.
I think I will. So I think.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you. I think we just wanted to kind of get to know each other before tomorrow's event.
Good afternoon, folks. I'm Fred. I'm going to be your waiter today.
All right, buddy.
Hey, how you doing? Have y'all looked over the menu? There's a child's menu on the bottom of page 2. I'll give you a few moments and we'll come out and get your order then. Okay. I'll be right back. At your service.
All right, thank you, sir.
So are you more recent to the area?
No, we've been here years, but
Where we live, you'll see, we don't really have neighbors.
Hi folks, how we doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. My name's Dennis, I'm the manager here. You guys dined with us before?
No.
Okay. Our number one priority is service, okay?
Thank you
right,
so
Shannon?
much.
That's right, Dennis. We have something to tell you. We actually wanted to do something really special for you guys because your story is just so heartwarming and touching. So today we actually rented out this entire restaurant.
What?
And Dennis here is actually not the manager of the restaurant. He is an ADT manager.
Oh, okay.
And actually everybody here in this restaurant is a part of the ADT family.
Wow.
So you get to meet them all today.
Wow. I feel like I'm
hey guys.
I love you.
So this is Peter. He's not actually the host at the restaurant. He is actually the sales tech who designed your system.
Yeah. All right, likewise. Well, glad you guys are safe.
Lauren was actually one of our reps who has serviced your system. Along with Julio back in the kitchen as well, another one of our service reps.
Say hi.
And then our very special guest, this is Fred Cannon. He is from our Knoxville, Tennessee office. So he was actually the voice on the phone that connected the call and sent help. Thank you so much. And last but not least, we have the very brave men of the fire department in Estero who responded to the call that night. So on behalf of all of the thousands and thousands of ADT employees, we just wanted to tell you that we are so glad that you're okay and that ADT is here at your service.
We're so grateful for all of you who made this possible for us to still be here today. To see her go to school and turn 4 and our anniversary and just everything that we've experienced since that day. We appreciate all of you. Thank you so much.
Welcome.